Enter Bollywood. Want to catch all the excitement of Bollywood? Just log on to zoomtv.in.
Welcome back to Planet Bollywood, the big story. And well, कुर्बान रिलीज हो गई है और हमने ब्रेक से पहले विवेक ओबरॉय से पूछा कि उनकी एक्साइटमेंट लेवल कहाँ तक पहुंची है एंड काफी यू क्वाइट एक्साइटेड. बट now time for our in-house expert and our in-house critic to step in. Umar, what are your reactions?
Yeah, I have absolutely loved the film. I think कि करण जौहर और धर्मा प्रोडक्शन से एक डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ मूवी आई है, completely different and by from the writer of रंग दे बसंती, you know, Renzel De Silva. उन्होंने बहुत अच्छी स्टोरी लिखी है, काफ़ी टाइट है. Of course they had to Bollywoodize it a bit, तो थोड़ा Bollywood elements are there, but I think this is India's answer to Hollywood.
India's answer to Hollywood. Okay.
Yeah, so from this to this now.
Yeah, that makes sense now. But also Saif and Kareena की on-screen chemistry के बारे में बताइए. Were you impressed with their performances?
Saif and Kareena together एकदम sizzle कर रहे हैं, मतलब उस screen को, the intimacy, the camera makes love to them when they're together. और you know, like extreme close-ups हैं उनके, extremely good chemistry in that, and their performances are superlative.
So you think real life couple and real life couple, both of them work really well?
It always works.
It always works.
Always works.
Okay, well, and what about Vivek's performance? Vivek, now you're in the hot seat, yeah?
Oops.
No, Vivek, everybody knows he's a very good actor, and once he gets a role to bite his teeth into, he does extremely well. And इन्होंने काफ़ी sincerity के साथ, काफ़ी emotion के साथ perform करा है. And of course उनका accent थोड़ा ज़्यादा American हो गया था कुछ scenes में, but
that was intentional. I mean, in my defense.
Right. But very, very sincere and very, very nice performance.
Okay, Vivek, American accent में बताइए कि आपने कैसे तैयारी की?
American accent को भूलने के लिए मुझे काफी समय लग चुका है, तो I'm not going to go back into that.
Okay.
But इस फिल्म के लिए तकरीबन 3 महीने नवाज मोदी, who's a certified American accent trainer, one of the best in the job in India, तो उन्होंने मुझे 3 महीने की ट्रेनिंग दी ताकि वो एक्सेंट को मैं सीख पाऊँ.
मुश्किल था?
हाँ, मुश्किल था, बहुत मुश्किल था, बिकॉज मुझे अपने आप को ऐसे सुनना बहुत मुश्किल लगा. तो we had to start on the other end of the spectrum, which was really exaggerated, very that kind of accent. और वहाँ से फिर उसके बाद धीरे-धीरे उसको टोन डाउन करते फिर अंडरप्ले करते, then it had to come like naturally.
From the accent, what other things did you have to do? Preparation कैसे करी आपने अपने role के लिए?
I think one important aspect of the role is कि वो एक journalist है. तो that wasn't difficult because I'm interacting with journalists all the time.
Yeah.
No, but I spoke to some very interesting political journalists and tried to understand उनकी मतलब जो TV reporters हैं जो बहुत important live news वगैरह investigative journalists जो हैं वो उनसे थोड़ी बात समझने की कोशिश की मैंने. But the predominant aspect of this film, which is the third side of the debate, normally अगर आप terrorism की कोई भी film देखें तो उसमें 2 पहलू होते हैं. एक होता है कि fundamentalist और एक होता है जो उसके against युद्ध कर रहा है. But एक बीच का बहुत important character है, एक बहुत important aspect है जो लोग generally भूल जाते हैं, वो है moderate Muslim. आज का moderate Muslim जो बिल्कुल आपके मेरी तरह है, and who's as much of a responsible citizen and as much of a good human being as everybody else. लेकिन कुछ लोगों की वजह से पूरी कौम को जो suspicion के निगरानी में रहना पड़ता है, constantly under scrutiny, constantly under suspicion, he represents that, and he represents still believing and still being सच्चा मुसलमान, still being true to his faith in the right sense, you know. So that's a very difficult path to walk, and I'm very glad and very proud and very humbled that I got to play such a part that people will feel redeemed. I think that that's the intention of the film and the director to some extent.